I could go and read your mind, think about your dumb face all the time. Living in your glass house, I'm outside. Looking in your big blue eyes, did it just to hurt me, make me cry? Smiling through it all, yeah, that's my life. You're an idiot, now I'm sure, now I'm positive I should go. Thinking she's so cool, kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. What'd she do to get you off? Taking down her hair like, oh my God. Taking off your shirt, I did that once or twice. No, I know I'll fuck off. She's so fun. Wait, I think I hate her, I'm not bad. Evolve, sorry, she's missing. Sad, sad boy. Not my business, but I had to warn ya. Ooh, bet you're thinking she's so cool, kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. I think I lost it, said that I was fine, said it from the coffin. You remember how I died when you started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I put up a fight, taking out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe, don't you know the feeling? You just been the light, catch me on the ceiling. That's your prize, that's your prize. Well, bet you thinking she's so cool, kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room.